Man, I couldn't get my film on in time. Just missed a beautiful green Dodge Challenger. Oh, it was so pretty. I missed it. That's what I get for not being ready. Okay. I'll try to catch something cool again. I ain't gotta be lucky enough. All that leftover bread, break it up. Throw it out in the yard, bunch of bread. Haven't heard from Mama. I texted her about an hour ago and haven't heard back, and I'm worried about her, you know. Hope she's alright. More stupid vehicles. Man, go figure. I turn the camera on just after the good car comes by, and now you get all a bunch of retarded stuff. Stinking Chevys and everything else. I don't even like Chevys. Missed the Mopar, sweet Mopar. Another stupid cars. That stinks. Another stupid Chevy. Piece of junk Chevy car. Air junk. Airplane flying over. Way up there. That's a different airplane. That's a unique airplane. I wish I could get a good video of it. Shaped weird shaped airplane. Huh. It's one thing cool about sitting there. This is the path of the airplanes. I'm surprised they're not flying over today. Usually, the rich people that owns them planes there in Bradley Creek, they'd be cruising all over the place for fun. Saturday too. Got the film going, waiting for something cool to come by. No birds, no cool vehicles, no motorcycles. This is getting quite boring. There's an ugly Buick. They make ugly stuff too. Toyota makes ugly stuff. They're all ugly. They all suck. Panda's beautiful. Crows. Maybe they'll come down and eat some bread. He flew over. He's got to see that bread. They got good eyesight, I think. Nah, he don't want to come down. He's going to keep on going. It's like I can't get no birds coming to eat. That's a bummer. There comes a vehicle. What is it? Oh, Ford. That trailer's cool. I wouldn't mind having a trailer like that. We can get a bike on there. Probably two. Probably one for sure. Be a good motorcycle getter. Buy motorcycles and then bring them around here and resell them. Clean them up real good. Do a film on them. Walk around. Gotta get me a helmet cam. Do a video on it. There's a Pacifica, good car. There's Xfinity, Comcast. I said it right the first time, didn't I? Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jakey. That's a good one. Your hands a stud. What you doing?
He's just enjoying the nice weather. Boy, they didn't like going out when it's snowing, but they love it today. It's gonna be nicer tomorrow. Last week I asked God to give us 65-degree weather for Easter. And in the beginning of last week it said it was gonna be 52. Now it's calling for 63. It's gonna make 65 because God's gonna make it do it. Not because I'm special, because He's special. Mom says, "Oh, you think He's something, huh?" She's kidding around. I was like, "No, I think He's something. Jesus is something."
Hey, there's Jakey. How's it going, Jake?
No cool stuff. What if a motorcycle could fit in something like that? I'd like to have a Dodge Ram with a Hemi and a small trailer. It just only have to be big enough to haul one motorcycle. Where it's easy to get them on and latch them down. And go get bikes. In the warm weather, I can just ride them back. Buy them and ride them here. I like to sell a lot of Yamaha Roadstars and Victory V92s. That's what I like to sell. That's the two major bikes I like to get. And specialize in my favorite two bikes. I mean, I guess a person, a nice cruiser. Nice looking cruisers for a low price that outperforms higher name brands that are overpriced and overrated in my book. They're nice though. They're just not as nice as the two I like. I ain't gonna say what they are. If people get mad at me. I posted a video out there about how the Victory motorcycle is built, how sweet it is compared to the competitor that's keen on the mountain, and how they are better than the competitor. There goes an idiot speeder. See that? Passing the car. That's an idiot. People with speeds are idiots. Can't obey the laws, you're an idiot. Ooh, look at that Dodge Ram. We got a sweet one coming. It's got the hood scoop and everything. Oh, it's cool. Really? And that's an older one. And it's a gray color that my dad talked about. And guess what? I didn't see a spot of rust on it. And there's a burgundy Chevy that's got rust on the wheel wells. I think Dad knew what he's talking about. There goes the Ford Fusion. I actually kind of like the looks of them. They look pretty cool. 8-minute video. I think I'll stop it and start.